Hello and good evening. This is Wuzo, aka William Zulu. So today I will be showing you how to launch Unreal Engine from the Epic Games Store. This is where you launch it if you've already downloaded it. But if you haven't downloaded it, there should be something here that should let you download it. Just down on the library section. There's different versions you can download, but for now we're going to go with this one, 4.26.2. You can launch either one of those, and there's supposed to be a documentation for the system requirements for what kind of specs you need to run Unreal Engine. The minimum requirements, should be something there, but last time I checked it was, let's see, for 4 GB, I think was 4 GB RAM and maybe a dual-core processor, and I think just your standard drive. Right now I'm running on a 2nd gen mobile workstation. It's not really high spec, pretty old, but gets the job done. So this is basically where we have to come if you want to do anything in Unreal. So we are making a game, so we go there, and you're given different kinds of templates for the kind of game you may want to make. So for this tutorial I'll go with the 3rd person template. This is fine, just how it is. We can go with without starter content. Yeah, I can choose where I want my document to be saved. So, and my project name, I can save this as project tutorial 1. Create project. Okay. Okay, so you can also manage plugins here. There's a lot of plugins you can choose to enable or disable. For now, I don't really need that. So this is the 3rd person template. So it's got, don't know what this is called, the code collision. It's supposed to be for something, for light, sound, not sure, but this is the 3rd person template. So you get a 3D mannequin, you can move around, and get this space. So this is the workspace that you're given in Unreal. When you just open it, you can always move things to somewhere else if you don't like where they are. But yeah, for me, I just like everything on default. It saves me the trouble of having to move things, but there's some ways of some better ways of organizing things. So you want to click this, show hide sources panel, to show you the content browser panel, just a little more extended there. And this is the content browser. This is where you go to find everything that you need for your level or a game. So I can make an example. So this is a good thing, a useful thing called filters. You can press it and it can show you the thing that you've like excluded, like to be searched for. It can show you that here, like I chose static mesh, so that's what will be shown to you here. So this is from everything that's available. This is mostly from the starter content pack, but you can, let's say, add what are these? Looks like fireworks. You can add these from there. You can just drag and drop. You can rotate objects by pressing E or going here. You can do that, and you can also move with the W key, and you can also scale objects with the oh, is this R? Is it R? Is it S? Is it here? It's R. With R key you can scale objects. The R key. So the supposed to be a way to scale them in all sides without going through that, but basically that can move it a bit. Okay, and you can also, let's use, I can use this. So this is a pole. So you can also, if you hold out and you hover the mouse key above this, like the arrow here, any arrow, and you hold out and you hold left click, you just drag it, you can duplicate the object. So that's also a useful thing to know. Yeah. I think you can also group them. Do that. Group. Now it's just one thing. So you can use that if you want to make structures with mesh. Just the concept about it is interesting, so you can use it for something. And then what else? Just for starter tutorial. let's see. Yeah, okay, you can hit the play button. You can go here. You can either press Alt P or just click play, and you can interact with the space. So the reason I'm able to go through that is because no collision has been applied to that static mesh. So it's just I can just go through it, like I can walk through walls like that. If you ever had an idea of making a game where a person can walk through walls, you just turn off the collision. That should do that. And then here you get this message: lighting needs to be rebuilt. So you can do that here. Build lighting only, because whenever you add an object, I think if it comes in the way of the light, the light has to change direction somehow if a new object is added. So I think that's what that's for. So you could see some things have changed. It's a little darker on the side. More light this side, not so much in the middle. Yeah, but anyway, this is basically Unreal Engine, how you make a project in Unreal. So feel free to like and subscribe. That really helps. These are my earliest videos, so I will be making new tutorials every week. For the next tutorial, I'd like to present some different kinds of projects that Unreal offers and see if that can make for a good tutorial for someone who's planning to learn Unreal. Well, this is your boy Wilzo signing out. Thanks for watching this far.